Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can set up a push to mute hotkey in TeamSpeak. Now it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just open up the actual application right here, and once inside, navigate through the user name. In here you want to click on the gear icon, which will actually take us to the settings of our account. Now you want to navigate through the application settings, click on the key bindings, and in here you have your default profile. So we are going to be editing our default profile. In here you have your push to talk and finally push to mute. You can just navigate through the other end of the screen. In here you have choose, so just click on it and then you want to press the button that you want to bind as your push to mute. So I'm going to be holding down my shift key and this key right here. So it's going to be right shift plus this specific key, and then that will go ahead and basically mute my microphone. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.